Generate a meal plan using ChatGPT. You can follow these steps. Start a conversation with ChatGPT and introduce your goal of generating a meal plan. Let ChatGPT know your dietary restrictions, if any, and any specific goals you have for your meal plan. For example, you might want to lose weight, build muscle, or maintain a certain calorie intake. Specify your preferred meal schedule, including the number of meals per day and any preferred meal times. Let ChatGPT know your preferred types of foods, such as vegetarian, low carb, or high protein. Based on the information you provide, ChatGPT will generate a meal plan for you, including recipes and grocery lists. You can ask follow-up questions or make changes to the plan as needed. Note that while ChatGPT can provide suggestions for meal plans, it is not a substitute for professional nutrition advice. If you have specific dietary needs or concerns, it is always best to consult with a registered dietitian or other qualified healthcare professional. Example: sure. Here's a meal plan for a male, 38 years old, who is already in good shape and wants to lose 10 pounds. Keep in mind that everyone's nutritional needs are different, so you may need to adjust the portion sizes and calorie intake based on your own needs and preferences. Breakfast: 1. 2 scrambled eggs. 2. 1 slice of whole grain toast. 3. 1 cup of mixed berries. 4. Black coffee or green tea. Snack: 1. 1 medium-sized apple. 2. 1/4 cup of almonds. Lunch: 1. Grilled chicken breast. 2. 1 cup of mixed greens with olive oil and vinegar dressing. 3. Half cup of brown rice. 4. Half cup of steamed broccoli. Snack: 1. Half cup of low-fat Greek yogurt. 2. 1/4 cup of blueberries. Dinner: 1. Grilled salmon. 2. 1 cup of roasted sweet potatoes. 3. 1 cup of roasted asparagus. 4. Half avocado. Snack, optional: 1. 1 small banana. 2. 1 tablespoon of almond butter. This meal plan provides a balanced mix of lean protein, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and fiber-rich fruits and vegetables. To lose weight, it's important to consume fewer calories than you burn, so aim for a daily calorie intake that is slightly below your maintenance level. You may want to adjust the portion sizes or calorie intake based on your activity level and weight loss goals. Additionally, staying hydrated and incorporating regular exercise into your routine can also help with weight loss.